Minimum wage hike to address inflation, economic difficulties, MOL. A 4.55% hike in the minimum monthly wage next year agreed by the Ministry of Labor's Minimum Wage Review Committee Thursday is intended to both offset inflationary pressure on workers and minimize the cost to businesses, many of which have barely recovered from the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, Labor Minister Xu Ming-chun said that day. If the proposal is approved by the cabinet, the increase will raise the minimum monthly wage from the current 25,250 new Taiwan dollars to 26,400 new Taiwan dollars, and the minimum hourly wage from 168 new Taiwan dollars to 176 new Taiwan dollars, according to the committee. However, the hike failed to meet the 11% increase demanded by labor union leaders, while some business leaders also voiced frustration, saying they had expected the rise to be below 3%. Speaking in defense of the committee's decision, Xu said the 4.55% hike was a compromise between members of the committee who represent labor unions and business associations. At the meeting, labor representatives said inflation has eaten into wage increases, while business representatives argued that inflation also pushed up production costs and caused declining revenue, with some businesses still struggling to rebound from the pandemic, she noted. The committee's decision marked the seventh year in a row President Tsai Ing-wen's administration has raised the minimum wage. However, the minimum monthly wage is still below the campaign pledge Tsai made in 2016 to raise the minimum wage rate to 30,000 new Taiwan dollars. Xu said the government has moved toward that goal over the years but also needs to avoid causing major disruption to businesses and the job market amid challenges faced in the post-pandemic era.
Hike. 名词，提高价格，调涨；动词，提高、调升价格或费用。Address， 处理、解决、演说、致辞、给、写信、致函。Inflation， 通货膨胀。Inflationary， 造成通货膨胀的。Offset，补偿、抵消、弥补。Frustration， 沮丧、灰心、挫折。Compromise， 妥协、让步、折中、和解。Revenue， 收入、营收、税收、税入。Struggle，奋斗、奋力地挣扎、前进、拼搏。Administration， 管理、行政、管理机构、管理、行政人员，一任政府的官员或内阁与阁员。